Hi, this is Keisha, the instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And on today, I want to talk about how to customize your Excel ribbon for beginners. And if you like what you see on today, please subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs up and follow me, and you will see more educational videos for Excel. And with that, let's get started. I want you to right click on any empty space on the ribbon. If you don't remember, the ribbon, the office ribbon, is this big area right here where it has all of our tools. Um, so in literally anywhere on an empty space. So the easiest way is right here in this empty space here. Now, of course, if we were to do the help tab, we have a whole lot more space. View, not as much. Page layout, little bit of view. So basically just any tab but in an empty space. So we right click with your customize the ribbon. Then this dialog box here appears, and you can rearrange or arrange your tabs in any order. So by default, we have a home tab, insert. For some, you may have draw if you have the 2019 version, formulas, data, etc. So if you wanted, say for example, help to be way up top, you would select help. Oops. And then you leave it check mark though, and then you just click the down arrow, and you notice you see help is actually moving up, right? So you just keep clicking the up arrow until you get it to where we want it, which we're going to put it as far up as it will let us. So we have help way up top, and then all you have to do is click OK. And then you look, and now the help tab is way here versus at the end of all your other tabs. So let's right click once again on an empty spot within the Excel ribbon, and go back to customize the ribbon. And any changes you've made, all you have to do when you want to set it back to the default setting, which is the original setting that Office has set up, just click this down arrow. It says reset, and reset all customizations. You'll get a box that appears, and it says delete all ribbon and quick access toolbar customization for this program. If that's what you want to do, which we do, you click yes and then click OK, and it will take you and put the tabs back to their original state. So now help is way at the end. So that's all on that topic. Let's move to displaying. Let's go to step number 4. Click the ribbon display options down arrow. So that's this option, this down arrow right here. You notice when I take the mouse pointer over here to the right hand corner, it literally tells us ribbon display option, right? So click that down arrow, and if you want to know more about it, it tells you that information here. We click the down arrow, and we can choose 3 different options. I like for mine to be on always show the ribbon, but say you wanted to use the full screen mode, which hides the ribbon. We select that, and the ribbon disappears. And if you want that back, you'd have to click this eclipse button, those 3 dots, and I have a picture here that's showing you what that looks like. But I'm going to click my eclipse button, and then now the ribbon is back available. But if I click off again, it disappears again. So we go back to the eclipse, click that on again, and to make it stay, we would have to click our down arrow to the ribbons display option, and then we would have to choose always show ribbon. But for the next step, I want to show only the tabs. So click And when you select only the tabs, then all we see are tabs. And we can click the File tab, do what we need there, or the Insert tab, any of the tabs, matter of fact. But as soon as we click within our worksheet, the twos would disappear. Only the tabs will remain. What we've asked on the what we've asked on the ribbon. So let's go back. So in order to get to customize or to work with your ribbon again, you have to click a tab. It doesn't matter which tab. And then we can choose our down arrow for displaying the ribbon options. And finally, we're going to put it back on always show the ribbon. So now we have our ribbon showing again. So today we talked about customizing your Excel ribbon and how to hide it and show it, and how to always show the ribbon. And I am a user that loves to always keep my ribbon available. So that concludes the lesson on customizing your Excel ribbon for beginners. Stay tuned for next video. And again, if you like what you see, come back to my channel and subscribe to my channel and place a thumbs up for me. Thank you. Bye.